In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Thunderbird on your MacBook step by step. Thunderbird is a free and powerful email application that helps you manage multiple email accounts in one place. It offers strong privacy features, customization options, and full control over your inbox. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you already have installed. Next, go to the search bar and type Thunderbird, then press Enter. From the search results, make sure you click on the official Thunderbird website, which is thunderbird.net. It's always important to download software from the official website to avoid fake or harmful files. Once the website loads, you'll see a large button that says Download. The website will usually detect macOS automatically, so you can simply click the download button. The installer will now begin downloading, and it will appear as a DMG file in your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish. Now open Finder, then go to your Downloads folder. Locate the Thunderbird DMG file you just downloaded. Double-click the DMG file to open it. A new window will appear showing the Thunderbird application icon and a shortcut to the Applications folder. To install Thunderbird, simply drag the Thunderbird icon into the Applications folder. This will copy the application to your Mac and complete the installation. Once the process is finished, you can close the window and move the installer file to the bin. Next, open Finder. Go to the Applications folder and double-click Thunderbird to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. And that's it. Thunderbird is now successfully installed on your MacBook. When you open it for the first time, you can easily add your email account by entering your name, email address, and password. Thunderbird will automatically detect most email settings for services like Gmail, Outlook, and many others, making the setup quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.